Hi children, good afternoon everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are eating a very healthy food and learning a lot of things at your home and taking the helps of parents also, spending the time with your parents as well as siblings. Okay. So, I hope you are learning also through our videos what we are sending through the WhatsApp groups. Okay. So, here for the class 3 children we are going to learn for the second class children, lesson number 4 in the EVS subject, environmental science. So, here the lesson number 4 name is We Need Shelter. What is the name of the children? That one, We Need Shelter. What is the name of the lesson children? We Need Shelter. So children, here we need shelter. Actually we need food, we need clothes and we need shelter. So about the food we have already learned, the clothes for us that also we have learned. Okay. Now it's a turn of shelter. Shelter means where we are living so that we can escape from rain, the wind, very hot outside. So we have to protect ourselves. What we need that? We need what? Shelter, a house. Yes, long ago people are where they are living. They are living in the caves. Where they are living, children? They are living in the caves. In that one, no ventilation. Like they are seeing the animals of houses and they prepared it. And later they prepared a hut with the help of mud and leaves. And later when we are growing, then we have the advanced technology, we are preparing our buildings with the cement and bricks. So you have observed the previously what you call as the people are living in the kacha houses. Where they are living, children? Kacha, K-A-C-H-C-H-A, kacha houses. And now we are living in the Pakka houses. So we are going to see the differences in between them. Okay children. So these are the two types of houses. One is Kacha houses and one is Pakka houses. So what are the differences between Pakka houses and Kacha houses? So here in this, the Kacha houses you can find in the villages. Where you find the kacha houses, children? Yes, in the villages. Where they are that much not development is not there, that is called as villages. Okay. And pakka houses where you can cities and towns. Where you can find, children? Cities and towns. Okay. And how the kacha houses are made? How the kacha houses are made? They made up of mud, leaves, bamboo, stones, grass. Yes or no? These are all the things which we are using in kacha houses. Okay, bamboo, leaves, hay, grass, so many things we are using in the kacha houses. What the pakka houses made up of, children? They are made up of cement, C-E-M-E-N-T, cement, bricks, steel, yes or no? Steel, iron, these are all the things. Okay. So, what are the examples for kacha houses? Examples of kacha houses are what? Hut. Okay. And what are they, children? Caves. Okay, hut. Yes. Hut is an example for kacha house. And what are the huts are examples for kacha houses? What are the examples for pakka houses, children? They are bungalow, multi-story building. Yes, and you can find multi-story building, houseboat, and the different types of houses are present in the pakka house. Okay. bungalows and multi-story building are very important, children. Okay, MULTI, multi-story building. Multi-story building. Okay, these are the types of houses. You can see here the types of okay, multi-story buildings. Okay, now the thing is, now we are going the different types of houses. Let us see the first one as hut. Okay, children, what are the different types of houses? What are the different types of houses? Types of houses, they can be kacha houses and pakka houses. So in the types of houses, we are going to learn first one as hut. So in the hut is a what? Kacha house. It is made up of mud, hay, leaves, bamboo, so many things it is, and you can find in the villages. Okay. Next one is bungalow. BUNGALOWS, bungalows. Okay, children, BUNGALOWS, bungalows. So where you can find the bungalows? Well, in the towns. You can see how the bungalows is present. You can see in your textbook, children, this is the hut, this is the bungalow. There are so many rooms, and there are big rooms in this. It has garden also. There is a place for car also. Yes or no, children? Here in the hut it is not there. Okay. Next one is multi-story building. As you can see, there are so many floors, okay, in this house, and these are called as flats or apartments. Okay, and they have lift also. Okay. So next one is what, children? Multi-story building. Please learn the spelling. Okay, multi-story building. MULTI, multi, STOREY, multi-story building. BUILDING, building. Multi-story building. Okay. So multi-story building, where you can find, children? We can found in towns and cities, well developed areas. Okay, and they have lift, they have so many floors. Okay, and their rooms are also big. Okay, and they have a proper system. Okay, children, next one is stilt house. You can see here stilt house. Where you can find the stilt house? Where it is rains a lot. Okay, where you can find the stilt house, children? Where it is rains a lot. Okay, stilt house. Where it so in the stilt house, children, the roof of the stilt house in the conical shape, so that when it is raining, it can the rain should be drop on the floors. As you can see here, when it rains, where the rain it's heavily. Okay, so the houses are made up of wood or bamboo. Okay, so the houses are made little above the ground, and they have sloping roofs. Okay, they are just little above the ground, just they are little above the ground, so that what happens, because it is raining and then the ground will full of rain, the water will be filled up. So for escaping of that rain, the houses are made up of little above the ground, and it has sloping roof, so that the rainwater easily flow on the ground. Okay, children, and it is made up of wood and bamboo. Okay, let us see the next one, children. Next one is what? Houseboat. What do you mean by houseboat, children? The houseboat, it is a house in which it is prepared on the boat, and it can travel from one place to another. Mostly they are built for the tourists. Who are the tourist, children? Those who are coming from other country or other town and to visit our country or our state, they are called as tourists. Because as we have different things, so that they can enjoy that. Okay, they are called as houseboats. Okay, houseboats are generally made up of wood, as you can see this. Okay, it is also called as floating houses. So houseboats are also called as floating houses. Okay children. Next one is what children? Igloos. Do you know children what are igloos? Igloos are the houses which are made up of snow, and they are in the polar regions like Arctic region and Antarctica region. Okay, and where it is totally covered with snow and it is made up of ice. And see, this is the igloo in which the small front home will be there to enter, and then it will be a big semicircle in the semicircle form. Okay, it is made up of with snow and ice. Okay. Okay, next one is tent. So do you know about the tent children? The tent is like it is whenever you are going for picnic, so you prepare a tent, yes or no, to escape from there. So it can be easily prepared and it can easily be take off also. Okay, last one is caravans. Here I can write caravans. So caravans are those houses which are on the wheels. It means it can move from one place to another. Those are called as caravans. So in our country there are very few caravans, but in the like USA and other countries it is more, because people are going to work in other places. So they feel it is good for to stay in the caravans, like which are on the wheels. Okay children. So they are driven from one place to another. This is a type of caravans children. This is the type of caravans. Okay. So this is about the lesson number 4. This is all what we need in the type of shelters. What are those children? Hut, bungalows, multi-story building, stilt house, houseboats, igloos, caravans, as well as the tents. Okay children, I hope you have learnt, and just you go through the book so that you can understand very well, and try to by heart the words also. Okay children? Yes. Thank you children.